Using master measure helps you narrow down the most used measures and organize them on the left-hand panel for the user. A master measure is a combination of an expression and descriptive data such as name, description, tags, and colors. Master measures you create can be reused by you or others while working in an app. You can create a master measure in different ways. You can create a master measure from a field. In the Asset panel, under Fields, right-click the field you want to use as a measure and click Create Measure. The Create New Measure dialog opens with the field you selected. The field name is also used as the name of the master measure. You can change the name of the measure if you want to. Open the expression editor. Type the expression directly in the expression editor. The field names you use in the expression are checked, and the syntax of the expression is validated. When you are done, click Apply. Optionally, you can add a description, label expression, assign a color to the measure, and add tags. Under Number Formatting, you can choose one of the formatting options. When done, click Create. The master measure is now saved in the Measures category of the master items, and you can use it in other visualizations. You can also create a master measure using one of the most common aggregation functions. Open the expression editor. On the right-hand side, you can select fields, functions, set expressions, and variables. Select a field from the field drop-down list. Select a function from the aggregation functions drop-down list. Click Insert to insert the field and the function into the expression editor. When done, click Apply. Enter a name for the measure. Then you can choose a color for this measure. Under Number Formatting, choose Number from the drop-down menu and select one of the formatting options. When done, click Create. The measure is now saved in the Measures category in your master items. You can add more complex expressions by typing them directly into the expression editor. When done, click Apply. Enter a name for the measure and assign a color to it. When done, click Create. The measure is now saved in the Measures category in your master items, and you can use it in other visualizations. For example, we can create a KPI using the master item sales and margin percent that we just created. Then we create a bar chart using the same master measure sales, and we drag the dimension customer from the field list. Since we assigned the blue color to the sales master measure, in both visualizations the sales measure is shown in blue. We can change the color of the master measure, and that change will be applied to all visualizations where the sales measure is used. To edit a master measure, click the measure that you want to edit and then click the Edit button. If the measure is used on a visualization, a dialog is displayed to inform you that any changes to the master measure will affect all visualizations that use the measure. In the Edit Measure dialog, you can update the expression, the name, the description, the color, and the tags. When done, click Save. The master measure color is changed in all the visualizations that use the sales master measure. Master measures can be also used in expressions. When you type in the expression editor, an autocomplete list of matching master measures opens. You can delete master measures from your master items by clicking the measure that you want to delete and clicking Delete. If you delete a master measure, the visualization that used the deleted master measure will not work unless you replace it with a new one. To replace a master measure, click Advanced Options. In this case, we are going to recreate the sales master measure. To replace a master measure, you must toggle off the Chart Suggestion option. Drag a measure to the visualization and select Replace Invalid Measure. Repeat the same process for all the visualization that use the deleted master measure. And that concludes this video. Thanks for watching.